A very good morning, respected director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we fourth standard students got opportunity to conduct today's assembly. Every day is an inspiring day to fuel our mind with an inspiration. I like I like upon I call upon Yashvi for top of the day.
नीचे करो.
Thank you, Srijay. Thought of the day. A long journey starts with a single step. Thank you. Have a nice day. A new word increases your vocabulary. So I call upon Kanika for word of the day. Thank you, Srijay. Today's word of the day. First, crumble. The spelling of crumble is crumble. The meaning of crumble is fall apart or decay. Second, Milo. The spelling of Milo is Mellow. The meaning of Milo is soft or sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Kanika. Now let's hear from Kavya for the latest update. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. News headlines. Till 27 September 2023, India won 5 gold, 7 silver and 10 bronze medals in Asian Games 2023, which held in China. Second, India won ODI series against Australia by 2-1. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Kavya. Now, the last but not the least, I call upon Prerak to enhance our knowledge with a question.
Thank you, Srijay. The questions are: first, who is the female captain in India Merchant Navy?
Yes. हाँ तुषार. लावडार. अरे जो.
Who is the first female captain in India Merchant Navy?
हाँ बताना. राधिका. मेहता. हाँ मेनन.
Right answer is Radhika Menon. Second, who is the founding father of Dalit literature? Who is the founding father of Dalit literature? Answer is Annabhau Satre for pre-primary. What is the state language of the Maharashtra?
It's the state language. प्री प्राइमरी यूकेजी को पता है कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं हम जनरली? यस. वेरी गुड बॉय. Marathi is a state language.
Thank you, Prerak. This was short assembly conducted by 4th standard. Thank you. Have a nice day.